We made it to the middle of the week, but there's no time to take a breath. Let's get into Wednesday's AI News. In a press conference outlining the rescue mission to save the downed American airman in Iran, the CIA announced that they used an AI-powered secret tool called Ghost Murmur. Ghost Murmur, developed by Lockheed Martin's Skunk works, uses quantum magnetometry, sensors built around microscopic defects in synthetic diamonds, to detect the electromagnetic fingerprint of a heartbeat. AI then isolates that signal from background noise. One source described it as hearing a voice in a stadium, except the stadium is 1,000 miles of desert. This all seems straight out of science fiction, but if true, this just saved someone's life. The new open-source GLM-5.1 model from ZAI is a 754 billion parameter mixture of experts model, with 40 billion active parameters and a 200k context window. It's said to be able to run autonomously on a single task for up to 8 hours without human intervention. On SweBench Pro, it scores 58.4 versus Claude Opus 4.6's 57.3. The weights are on Hugging Face right now under the MIT license. An open source model that works an 8-hour shift and beats the best proprietary models on coding benchmarks. Very impressive. Anthropic have just announced Claude Managed Agents. Managed Agents abstracts away all the production infrastructure that normally takes months to build. Sandboxed code execution, checkpointing, credential management, scoped permissions, end-to-end tracing, it's all handled. You define your agent in natural language or a YAML file, set the guardrails, and run it on Anthropic's platform. Agents can run for multiple hours autonomously on purpose-built infrastructure designed to let agents fail safely, recover gracefully, and operate within strict boundaries. The hard problems that stop most agent projects from ever reaching production. Making agents easy to build was the first challenge. Making them safe to deploy at scale is the harder one, and that's what Anthropic is really selling here. Meta's Superintelligence Lab has just unveiled its first release. Muse Spark can take in and output text and images, and it has a thinking mode that spins up sub-agents to reason about different parts of a task in parallel. Meta says this lets it compete with the extreme reasoning of models like Gemini DeepThink and GPT Pro. The benchmarks show it's competitive with many of the leading models, though it doesn't surpass them across the board. Meta invested $14 billion in Scale AI and hired its CEO to build this. Muse Spark is the first thing they've shipped. Competitive but not leading, yet. It's a solid start.